6 mile deep, 8 miles wide. The joke's over. I didn't film it. Now it's stale. I'm also putting it with the gear types in the box. Do you think in middle?
There's that nice little mountain.
It's coming. It's coming up ahead.
What's that?
Coming up ahead.
Coming up ahead.
Coming up ahead.
Coming attractions.
Have you ever done? It's so high, not even high, but you like doing this kind of thing, and you're so in tune with the road that you drive space way past the signs, whatever it is. You ever done that before? No, John, never. I think it's coming up. I think it's coming up soon. If I remember correctly. But not circumspectly. I was watching Stephen Sondheim. He was talking about something to do with what the hell did he write? Someone really famous. Besides West Side Story, I think it was. And I can't tell you one thing he said that stayed in my head.
Except his name.
Wait, Steve, you're gonna sing.
That guy that that wrote. Okay.
Is that it right there?
That's it, Kimosabe. You were right, Johnny boy. Johnny boy,
We can always-
Johnny boy. It's four-wheel drive time, Johnny boy. What's that?
Or if you want to, we can always, no, nothing.
Noise.
I'm gonna watch this thing for hours from now. I'm going. I see it every week. It's almost like John.
Do you ever watch it?
No. John, do you ever watch your own movies? No. No, I just put them out there.
No, it's just a one cut, one take. Throw it in the can and
the proletariat.
put it in mothballs. The proletariat. How about this alternate route? Look at there. Look what we can do.
Yeah.
We can do this, John. Now the only question remains is how deep is the snow?
How deep is the snow?
How deep is the snow? Oh, that's a nice-
Living in the world of truth, bringing us down.
How deep does it go?
You fucking big hole.
It's covering the freaking road now.
What do you think we should do?
I think we should try and bust through there.
Up to you, man. John.
This is as opposed to that lake we were thinking about going through. I think my odds are better going through here, don't you?
Oh yeah.
Than a lake of water. That's just an opinion.
Just a matter of conversation, something bring up
We
something.
got some. Just a matter of whether we get out of here or not.
You don't change, do you?
No. Oh, I just got us stuck. Well, I do have a shovel.
Yeah.
But I'm in a Ford Ranger. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Are we cowboys or what? That's pretty bad, John.
Yeah.
Did you see my strategy in the end?
Yeah.
Little forward, then go. Good job.
We go down the hill.
Here, elbow bump. There you go. All right, right on.
What are you gonna do?
Okay, yeah. That's it. That's it for the horses.